So, hello everyone, welcome to Cuboid Forms Study Circle. Today I will discuss about medical devices in 2070 rules in. It's a very helpful section in upcoming drug inspector examination. It's a very helpful in top important MCQs and upcoming examination in drug inspectors. So let's start the today section. First question, medical device rules in 2017, which under department follows? Option A, ICMR. Option B, ICR. Option C, WHO. Option D, UniSCO. Correct option is ICMR. So medical devices follows in ICMR. ICMR full form Indian Council of Medical Research. Okay. Then next question, which ministry follows in medical devices in 2017? Option A, MOE, Ministry of Education. Option B, MOHD, Ministry of Health Department. C, Ministry of Aviation. D, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Correct option is option D, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So medical devices 2017, which ministers follows? Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Okay. Next question, which under control medical devices? A, CDSCO. B, IPC. C, DTAB. D, PCI. Correct option is CDSCO. So CDSCO follows in medical devices rules in 2017. Okay. Next question, medical devices sector growing of CAGR approximately. So medical devices 2017 sector growing of CAGR approximately how much? A, 22%. B, 32%. C, 15%. D, 10%. Correct option is 15%. Okay. See, sector growing at a rate of CAGR approximately 15%. Correct answer is C, 15%. Okay. Next question, medical devices regulated drugs under the provision. A, Toilet and Preparation Act. B, Pharmacy Act. C, Drugs and Cosmetics Act. D, Narcotics Act. Correct option is Drugs and Cosmetics Act. Okay. See, medical devices regulated in drugs under the provision of Drugs and Cosmetics Act, 1940, and both central government or state government. Okay. So correct option is Drugs and Cosmetics Act. Next question, medical devices objectives: A. Import, B. Manufacture, C. Sale and distribution, drugs and cosmetics, and D. All of the above. See, the correct option is all of the above. Okay. See, medical devices, its main objectives like import and manufacture, and sales and distribution, and drugs and cosmetics. Okay, and it is helpful of clinical investigation and medical devices and in vitro diagnostics and manufacture. It's mainly important. So published in medical devices in IVD and medical devices in Exciting Drugs and Cosmetics Act. It's very helpful in. There are all. Okay. Next question. So requirements for import and manufacture and clinical investigation, sale and distribution, and prescribed implemented form. So requirements and import, manufacture and clinical investigation and distribution. Which date announced in implemented form? So A. 2nd August, B. 12th July, C. 1st January, D. 21 June. Correct option is 1st January. Okay, 1st January in 2018. So requirements for import and manufacture and clinical investigation and sale and distribution of regulated medical devices have been prescribed in medical devices rules in 2017. This is the 2017 medical devices 2017. Okay, but implemented for 1st January in 2018. Okay. Next question. Medical devices in which section followed? Section, option A, section 3, section 3B, section 4, section 2, section 12. Correct option is section 3B. So medical devices are regulated as a drugs under the definition of a drug as per Drugs and Cosmetics Act in 1940 as a follows in medical devices, and also section 3B. Okay. So all medicines for external or internal use human beings and animal substance intended to the used for or in the diagnosis, treatment and mitigation and prevention of any disease or disorder in human beings or animals, including preparation of applied in human body for the purpose and insects like mosquitoes. So this is all sectors and follows in section 3B, follows in medical devices. Okay. Correct option is section 3. Section 3AB, correct option is A. Next question. Disposable hypodermic syringes, date of notification. So there are totally 2017, is it totally 16 medical devices in presently regulation. So number of devices and totally and 16 devices and currently in 2017 medical devices rules, and how get date of notification released in medical devices rules in 2017. So hypodermic syringes is a one of the device. Okay, this is the device, hypodermic syringes. So hypodermic syringes, which date released in medical devices in 2017 rules? Option A, 17 March 1989. Option B, 22 June 1976, option C 3rd August 2002, option D 9th October 1999. So correct option is A 17 March 1989. This is the first disposable hypodermic syringes. Okay. So next question, how many rules followed in medical devices and a rule 2017? Okay, how many rules? So medical devices and some of rules follows. How many rules and completely in medical devices in 2017 follows? Option A 87, option B 12, option C 96, option D 8. Correct option is 96. 96 rules are follows in medical devices and rules. Okay, totally 96. Next question, how many chapters involved in medical devices in 2017 rules? How many chapters? Option A 40, option B 60, option C 12, option D 32. How many chapters involved in medical devices 2017 rules? So totally 12 chapters involved. Okay, how 12 chapters involved in medical devices in 2017. Next question, how many schedules followed in medical devices in 2017? Schedules. Option A 8, option B 6, option C 7, option D 5. Correct option is, how many schedules follows in medical devices in 2017 rules? 8. Option A is the correct. 8 schedules follows in medical devices. Okay. So next question, how many forms followed in medical devices in 2017? Option A 50, option B 55, option C 40, option D 32. So correct answer is option C 40. So 40 forms follows in medical devices rules in 2017. How many forms followed in medical devices in 2017? 40 forms. Okay. Next question, which chapter followed in labeling of medical devices in 2017 rules? Option A chapter 6, option B chapter 8, option C chapter 1, option D chapter 3. So correct answer is option A chapter 6 follows in labeling of medical devices. So labeling and medical devices and exception of labeling and requirements, export of medical devices and NQ device, identification of the medical devices, shelf life of medical devices. Next one, shelf life and medical devices and labeling of medical devices, purpose of testing in chapter Sixth is the followed. Okay, this is the chapter followed in labeling and medical devices. Which chapter follows? Chapter 6. Chapter 6. Next question. Sale of medical devices. Which chapter involved? Option A, chapter 32. Option B, chapter 11. Option C, chapter 31. Option D, chapter 15. Okay, sale and medicine, sale of medical devices. Which chapter involved? So chapter which chapter? Sale of medical devices in, it is a option B, 11. 11th chapter. 11th chapter follows in sale of medical devices. Okay, so sale of medical devices is a provisions for sale and medical devices, recall of medical devices, and supply and hospital against the delivery chalana. That follows chapter in chalana. Okay, so which chapter involved in sale and medical devices? Chapter 11. Okay, correct option is B, chapter 11. Next question. Fees payable for license permission, which schedule? A, second. B, fourth. C, fifth. D, first. Correct option is second. So second schedule are follows in fees and payable for license permission. Okay, so we already discussed before questions. I think how many schedules are in medical devices? 8 schedules. There are totally 8 schedules. So different types of 8 schedules, different one schedules, different methods and follows. Okay, and first schedules and second schedule. First schedule in parameters of classification, and second schedule fees payable for license. Third schedule documents required and for registration, and fourth schedule also documents required for grant license of manufacturing, sale and distribution of import. Fifth schedule is a documents required for grant license. So remaining 3 also is a 8. Totally 8 schedules are involved in medical devices and rules in 2017. So fees payable for license permission, which schedules follows in medical devices? Second schedule. So option is A is the correct answer. Next, fourth schedule. Fourth schedule divided in. So see, totally 8 schedules. Okay, so fourth schedule divided in, which divided in fourth schedules? Option A 4, option B 7, option C 5, option D 2. Correct option is option A 4. Fourth schedule divided in 4 parts. Okay, see, this one presented in part 1, part 2. Okay, next, part 1, part 2 is represented in power of attorney, and part 2 is also requirements and documents. Okay, and class A, class B, class C is followed in part 2 in fourth schedule, and fourth schedule part 3. Part 3 is follows in subgroups, divided in subgroups. Appendix 1, appendix 2, appendix 3. So appendix 1 follows in plant master file. Appendix 2 is device master file. So appendix 3 is also contents of DMF and IVD, in vitro diagnostics. It's a very helpful. And fourth also, okay, see second. Fourth schedules and a part 4 and information required for import and export. So this is the totally fourth schedule divided in fourth schedule, totally four subparts. Part 1, power of attorney. Part 2, requirements of documents for class A, class B, class C, class D follows in part 2. Part 3 subdivided in 3 appendix. Appendix 1, contents of site or plant of master file, PMF. Okay, appendix 2 also contents of the device master file, DMF. Okay, appendix 3 is the contents of the DMF for IVD, in vitro diagnostic devices. Okay, that's the part 4, the last one, information required and export and import and a medical devices which does not have predicted device. Okay, so next question, clinical investigation, medical devices, clinical performance. Which chapter involved in clinical investigation in medical devices in rules in 2017? Option A, chapter 7th. Option B, chapter 8th. Option C, chapter 7th. Option D, chapter 3rd. So correct option is chapter 7. Chapter 7 is involved in clinical and investigation of medical devices and clinical performance. Okay, see simply 7th chapter in a investigation of applications and grant permissions and conduct clinical investigations. It's a follows in mainly chapter 7th in application of grant permission and conducting clinical investigation and permission to conduct clinical investigation, conditions for permission, suspension and cancellation of permission, suspension, and medical management and compensation related to the clinical investigation. It's a helpful, this is also helpful in chapter 7. It's a very helpful in medical devices rules. Okay, next question, QMS for manufacturing of MD, in vitro diagnostic medical devices. Option A, 5th schedule. Option B, 4th schedule. Option C, 3rd schedule. Option D, 8th schedule. QMS, quality management system, and so follows in 5th schedules. 5th schedule follows. So 5th schedule, quality management of manufacturing medical devices in vitro diagnostic and medical devices, specifies and requirements for a quality management system shall be used by the manufacturer for the design and development and manufacture of packing labeling and testing on installation and servicing of medical devices, and next in vitro diagnostic. Okay, the correct option is 5th schedule. 5th schedule follows in quality management system for manufacturing of medical devices in 2017 rules. Okay, so this is the all questions. It's very helpful, and clinical investigation of MD clinical. Okay, So rules and chapters, schedules, forms, it's a more than important. Okay, so chapters and rules. So how many rules how many rules are in medical devices in 2017 rules? 96. Okay, next one, how many chapters are involved? 12. I'm again explain, it's a very important, rules and chapters and schedules and forms. Okay, next, how many schedules? 8. Okay, next one, how many forms? 40. Okay, it's a very helpful. So it's a code is rules and chapters and schedules and forms. This is the main important in medical devices and rules in 2017. Okay, it's a very important. Number of rules are totally in 96 rules and different types of different equipments, different permissions and different collaborations. Okay, helpful of chapters also 12 chapters, and chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and preliminary and chapter 2 is a regulation, and chapter 3 authorities and officers, and next chapter 4 also manufacturing of medical devices, and chapter 5 important medical devices application, grant, import or export, and chapter 6 also labeling of medical devices, and chapter 7 is clinical investigation, and chapter 8 also import or manufacturing medical devices which does not have product device. Next one, chapter 9 duties of medical devices officers, and chapter 10 is a registration of the laboratory for carrying out test of the evaluation. Okay, chapter 11 sale of medical devices, and a chapter 13 is a miscellaneous. Okay, next schedules. Okay, schedule also same, schedule also totally 8. Okay, 8, and first schedule and parameters, and second schedule fees payments, and third schedule also documents required, and fourth schedule and grant license approval, and next fifth schedule also requirement license manufacturing and sale distribution. Fourth schedule also and a power of veterinary, and plant master file, and device master file. Okay, and next fifth schedule also quality management system, QMS, and next sixth schedule also post approval changes, and seventh schedule also requirements for the permission, eighth schedule exceptions. Okay, this is also and helpful, very helpful in schedules and forms and rules and chapters. Okay, so thank you everyone. So please like, share, subscribe in Cuboid Forms Study Circle channel. So it's very helpful in upcoming UPSC drug inspectors and medical devices. It's a short period time, it's very helpful in the section. Thank you everyone.